Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PV. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index. So guys, as you know that we have taken a week break now, but I'm back again to give you guys a lot of strategy on ground, so that to help you guys to trade successful in scrapping the market, especially when it comes to boom and crash and step index. So guys, I'm back with another set of strategy today. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can trade with this strategy with catching up many candlestick, and this strategy works on crash 1000 and it also works on boom 1000 on 1 minute time frames. So guys, I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy now before I explain how this strategy really works. So let me show you the settings of this strategy. On our main chart, we have our moving average, which is the period of 150, and we have our shift to be 0. We have our methods to be exponential. We have our app applied to, we have it as closed. Then you can choose any color of your choice. Don't forget, you can choose any color of your choice. Then you press on done. Then you move to your indicator window 1. We have the relative strength index, which is what we are having here. We have the period of 6. We have the apply to close, and we have black as our color here. So you are going to set up these two level, which is very important. We have the level for 25 and we have a level for 75. You see that? So you need to set it up like this, then you press on done. So we have the last setup here, which is our average true range, which we have the period of 14. We have our style to be in blue color. You see this? So you press on done. So after doing this, you will have the same settings the way I have it here on your chart. You see, you will have it the way I have it here on your chart. So what you are going to do now, you see now the market is keeping on spiking currently now. So let me show you how you can set up this particular trade for you to sell up a entry on boom 1000, and on crash I'm going to show you how you can identify the right time for you to enter the market for buy entry. So this is boom 1000. I'm going to show you the right moment for you to enter for your sell entry without making any loss. What you are going to find yourself is profit every time. So as you can see, this is our moving average of 150, and this moving average always shows us the move of the market. You see now, anytime it was across this level, it means our market is on a downtrend, and anytime it's moving on the uptrend like this, the market is on the uptrend. You see that? So that is what you need to know about the moving average. You see, anytime it's moving on above the market like this, it means we are having a downtrend of the market. So for us to see a trend of the market that is going to move on a spike level, they have to break this line, and once it breaks it, anything above the moving average is going to be on a spike level. See, so but in this strategy now, it will help you to identify the right time for you to enter your sell entry, and when it comes to crash 1000, it will identify the right time for you to enter for buy. So let me explain to you guys on boom 1000 and how you can easily identify this. You see, we have our red 9 here, we have our red 9 here, and we have our blue 9 here, and we also have our black 9 here. Don't forget, we only have it through our relative strength index, which is the black color here. We have our moving average to respect the red 9, and we have our range, which is the blue 9 that we are having on our main chart. Don't forget that. So what you are going to be checking up, you are going to be making use of your moving average, which is the red 9 that you are seeing here. So anytime this red 9 cross above the level of 75 level, you have to note that anytime it cross above the 75 level, you have to note that. And when you are going to be checking it on crash 1000, anytime you go below the what, the 25 level, that is on crash 1000. But this is boom 1000. I will soon explain how it works on crash 1000. But what you are going to note here is anytime you are having your red 9 above the what, above the 75 level, you see now, because the market keep on spiking now, we can see that keep on bringing this particular trade on a what, on a down level. You see, before it was like this, you see, before it was like this. So but because of the high rate of spike that happened currently now, you see how it was pushing it down before, because it has respect that level completely, and they begin to what, to bring out another what, another trend for us this moment. So what you are going to be looking at is anytime is what, anytime is crossing above the 75 level, you see, that's your first confirmation. And the second confirmation is when your black 9, which is your you see this, which is your relative strength index, is also above the 75 level. You see, there's always this cross between the black 9 and the red 9 that are going to be crossing each other on 75 level. So anytime they cross each other on 75 level, that is the right time for you to enter a sell entry on what, on boom 1000 1 minute time frames. So once you enter 1 minute time frames, when you enter for your sell entry, then your stop loss is going to be when your black is crossing on a what, is crossing the 25 level. You see, when your black 9 is crossing your what, when your red your blue 9, sorry, when your blue 9 is crossing the what, the 25 level. You see, for example, like what we have here, you see now, when you enter this market at this particular level, you see the two cross each other at this level, and you are going to find that on the 75 level. But because of the spike, and we could not able to make the video at that current time, you see that it jumped down. But currently, before this particular spot is on 75 level, so immediately show up in 75 level, then you enter your trade at this particular level. Don't forget to always set up your stop loss. Your stop loss will be the last spike area that you see at the before you enter your market. The last spike area will be your what, will be your stop loss, and you are going to be entering at this level. Then you are going to be taking your profits when you are seeing that your blue 9 is moving on the 25 level. You see that when your blue 9 is moving on the 25 level, this will be what, this will be your right time for you to what, to close your trade. So let me show you exactly when you are going to be closing your trade. So you are going to be closing up your trade at this particular moment, at this particular area, and your entry zone will be here. And if you can count the candle that you are taking this particular moment, you are taking up to like this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, up to 10 to 12 candlestick. That is exactly what you are going to be taking. You see that? So if you take that, it's going to be around $1 in 1 minute time frames if you take it with 0.20. So what you are going to be checking out is exactly the same thing that I've explained for you guys. You see, this is another sample that I need to show you guys. You see, anytime we have our blue 9, our black 9 and the red 9 that is crossing above each other, you see that they are crossing above each other on our 75 level. The two of them are going to went above the 75 level, and they are going to be crossing each other above the 75 level or on the 75 level. This is the right time for you to enter your what, your trade. You see, you're going to find your entry at this particular area, and you are going to be setting up your stop loss at the last spike area, that you see here, So what you are going to be doing now is find your entry at this area, and you are going to be taking your what, your take profit at this particular area. You see that at this particular area, let me show you where to take your take profit. So when you see that your black 9 is reaching the 25 level, so that is the right time for you to take your candlestick from this particular area to this area. You see, you will have take up to 10 to 15 candlestick with this strategy. So let me show you another sample of what has happened in the market currently. You see now, same thing happened here. It's the same thing happened here. You see, the black 9 and the red 9 went above the 75 level, and they cross each other at that level. You see that they cross each other at that level. So you are going to find your entry at this particular area, and you are going to be setting up your stop loss above the spike area to avoid any losses, and you are going to be closing your trade anytime you see your blue 9 that is reaching the 75 level, which is around this area. So you are going to be catching up to like 15 to 10 candlestick on that. And let me check what exactly it is happening currently. Now you see, this is an example of what is happening currently. Now you see exactly what I told you guys. This will be your best entry to enter for this particular trade. And once you enter for this particular trade, you will see that it's going to be respecting that particular zone until we have our blue 9 reaching our 25 level. So once you are reaching that, then you are safe to close your trade. So guys, this is exactly how this strategy really works. I've shown you the settings. And guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another wonderful strategy like this. And also, you can join our Telegram for mentorship for guys. We are always available for you guys to teach you more about trading, boom and crash, and step index. And also guys, you can also like and comment on this video, share us your experience so far in using different strategies that we used to drop on this channel, so that it can encourage us more to perform more for you guys. So thanks.